Yesterday I showed you how to put this Boston box memory album together. I had a big faux pas and fixed it. I was going to add die cuts to the top, but this is honoring my husband's work. He thought they looked not good. So we're keeping the top very simple, and it's just art by Steve. And I've added photos, and we'll see where we need to add paper clips and such. I start with one of my favorite places, which is Dobson Cove in Bermuda. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the photos. All these photos are of paintings my husband's made since retirement. I have a card that goes in here, and it's misplaced right now, so I'll find it later. But each of the pages has a acrylic pocket holder where you can put photos, and these can be changed or moved. And I have no journaling in this album yet, so I will be adding some. And there's still room for more photos. And all of them have a flap of plastic somewhere to protect the photos, and I used Claire's idea, and I did add paper clips. Not decorative, just black. And some of the pages are just so beautiful as is that I'm not adding anything to them. Let's see. So when I open this up, you can see some of the pictures that now grace our kitchen. Of course, this is in a daughter's home. Some of the full page layouts are just too pretty to cover, but there are pictures inside, photos of the canvases. Some of these are early photographs, early canvases he made in 2020 when he first started painting. Like Dobson Cove, and he wants to make them better. So this album is good to use paper clips and such, so I can alter these pages really easy by just taking out the photos and sliding another one in. Now, inside this page, I have some beautiful shaker ones. These are recent photos or canvases he made. And let's see, I thought I had some more. I guess I thought these sort of looked like the kitchen ones, having more lemons and beautiful family gathering place. This is one of my favorite pictures. It was actually his first portrait he made for me for Christmas. And it has a title, and it's called Every Kiss is Precious. All of these canvases he has a name for, and I will be adding those names. And let's see, this side has an earlier picture. You can see some of the pictures, I guess I'm his muse, you could say. Some of the pictures I have gray hair, and some I have dirty blonde. They all change. This is our early portraits he made when he had a full dark beard, and I had darker hair and transition glasses way back when we were married. And I'm thinking of putting this in a pocket here. I haven't decided. So on the belly band, I have one of my favorite photos, and I just made a little flap of acrylic to put it in, so it could have some journaling there if I wanted to add it. And then I have flap out pages. Again, some of the covers have room for photos, but I just kept the print at this point. But these are different ones that grace our wall if it has a frame on it. This is actually a little photo that goes over our thermostat, over a flaw in one of our rooms. And here I have, there's the ones I wanted to show you. These are some shaker ones he's made, and those are some of my favorites. An intimate one he made in our bedroom. And one of my fan favorites is this picture. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. This picture with him just lying on my lap, very relaxed, myself in a dress. And my absolute favorite, and I attached the acrylic to the bottom page here.